T-Boy and Ben, are we ready?
Yes.
All right. What is the English name for Dao? When you say Ozoto is my Dao, what does it mean?
Daddy.
Okay, daddy or father. Daddy or
Father.
what is the English name of Tobo? Tobo.
Okay, Tobo.
Taribi is my Tobo.
Baby.
Baby is correct too, but child is more
Child.
correct. Yes. What is Owo in English? Owo, children. What is a Yoro in English?
Girl.
Or woman,
Woman.
but preferably female. Preferably.
Female.
What is Oweitobo in English? Oweitobo. Boy, that is good. Boy is Oweitobo. What is a Yorotobo in English?
Cornelius.
What is a Yorotobo in English?
Girl.
Girl. Okay, what is Fia in English? T-Boy, Fia in English. Fia.
Okay, go back.
T-Boy, oh yeah, you people to shift. Fia in English. No. It is yefe. It is yefe. Fia. Food is fia. Food is fia. What is yetwo in English? Yetwo. Yetwo means cook. Yes, cook. What is benibiri in English? Benibiri? Bath. What is wene in English? Oh, what is say in English?
Dance.
Can you show me how to dance?
Yes.
Oh yeah, let's go. Okay. I see. It's okay. Be there. Be there. What is Tamara in English? What is Tamara in English? God. So you don't know Tamara in English? Tamara is God. Okay. Oh yeah, let's learn the names of God in Ijaw language. Names of God in Ijaw language. We have Tamara is name of God. Temewe is the name of God. Aiba is the name of God. Nanawe is the name of God. Jesus is English now. He's the Son of God. You hear?
Yes.
What is Yabe in English? Yabe means uncle. Yabe means what?
Uncle.
Yabe means
Uncle.
what is Benawe in English? Brother. What is Benarau in English? Sister is Benarau. Okay. What is Osun in English? What is Osun in English? My friend, concentrate. Osun in English means what? Stars. Hey, T-Boy, will you concentrate? Ben, do you know Osun in English? Osun in English means what? Stars. T-Boy.
Stars that I used to eat soup.
What is Aro in English? Aro. Canoe. Boat is correct, but canoe is specifically Aro. What is Yowe in English? You used to paddle. Yowe is simply called paddle. Yowe is simply called. Okay. Clap for yourself. Okay.